So as you can see on the dashboard, the electronic tax document, you must complete it. In the previous video, I showed you how I was being paid by Impact Radios, but the money is not yet withdrew from the account. So I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to sign up for the electronic tax document. So before I get down to today's business, I'll urge you to take the 10 seconds coming to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on the notification bell, so then whenever I drop a new video, YouTube is going to send you a notification. So as you can see on the dashboard, the tax document is being divided into three. We have the W8-BEN-E, which is the for the residents of United States. If you are a resident of United States, if you are living in the United States, this is your tax document that you need to choose. And then if you are a company, you need to choose the W8-BEN-E. This if you are a company or a brand, this is what you need to choose. And non-residents like us, individuals like us, that we are not a resident of United States, me, I'm in Ghana, this is what we need to choose. So I'll click on that, and right after clicking on that, you need to click on continue. Yes, so it's going to take us to the dashboard. So this is the form. So I'll need all I need to do is to click on continue. Yes, so I'll click on continue, and you can see some parts are being selected or highlighted red. So that means that place is very compulsory. You need to, whether you like it or not, you need to fill in that form, that place. You need to fill in that space, and where it's not selected, it's optional. So if you know, you can select that. If you don't know, you can leave that. Yes, so it's very simple as ABC. So all I need to do is, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to sign up for this electronic tax document. And right after that, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and then turn on the notification bell. Yes, so, and then first one says the name of individual who is beneficial owner. So I'll type in my name. I'm not going to cover anything. I'm going to do it until I get to my details. So I'm not going to cover anything. I'm going to leave it on for you to know how you can fill in this tax document. So the second one is country of citizenship. So I'm in Ghana, you type in your country. So if you're in Nigeria, you type in Nigeria. If you're in South Africa, you type in your country's name. So make sure you type everything in capital letters or block letters. And they say do not use PO box in care of address. So permanent resident address. So I have I'm in Ghana. Okay, so where you are, and your home town name, and region as well. So I'm in Wamanafodoma East, and it's in Bono region. So Bono region in Ghana. Yes, and state postal code. So I'll type in Doma East, and then the postal code is 00233. So if you don't know your postal code, you need to go to Google and then search for your postal code, and they are going to give you that. And right after the postal code, the country again. So let me do this Ghanaian, and then here will be Ghana, and we are done. I think we are done. And this foreign tax identifying number, you can see that on your ECOWAS card, the card that was being issued by the government of the ECOWAS country. So I'm going to pull up my Ghana card, that's commonly known as Ghana card, but the real name for that is ECOWAS identity card. So you can see that it start with GAN. So if you are in Nigeria, I don't know what yours will be, but Ghana start from GAN. So that is it. So boom, right after this place you need to sign, and when you get to the sign, you don't have to write anything. All you need to do is to write your name, yes, and then the date of signing this document is being indicated over here. So if you check yours and it's different from the date that is appearing over here, that means there is something wrong somewhere. So all you need to do is to sign right there your name, yes, your name, just your name. So I write my name, over there, because all you need to do is to click on finish. So add sign. So you can see right after clicking on the sign, it has been signed by me. So I will click on finish, and my signature is being signed and everything is being done. So thank you for submitting your W. Yeah, so that is it to drop into your account. So that is how everything works on Impact Radio. So take this advantage to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop one amazing video, YouTube's going to notify you. I have provided maybe verify. Once completed, we advise you to resort. We advise you of the results via email. So they will email me whenever they are done checking up everything. So that's it. Thank you guys, and then until I see my next video, don't forget that I do love you guys, and bye bye for now. Stay safe and see you in my next video.